Most people wait for a moment that changes everything. But real change doesn't arrive like lightning. It grows quietly through small habits repeated every day. This isn't about overnight transformation. It's about rewiring your mindset step by step until discipline, focus, and strength become part of who you are. Think of someone who feels stuck. They wake up tired, react to the world all day, scroll at night, and promise themselves, "Tomorrow I'll do better." Tomorrow keeps coming, but nothing changes until they start changing how they live each day. Habit 1. Start your morning with intention. The first minutes after waking decide the tone of your entire day. Instead of grabbing your phone and absorbing chaos, you pause. You breathe. You decide how you want to show up. Over time, your mind learns something powerful. You are in control. Habit 2. Protect your focus. Focus isn't missing, it's under attack. Notifications, noise, constant switching. So you begin protecting it. Fewer alerts, quiet mornings, one task at a time. Stillness becomes your strength. Habit 3. Do one hard thing daily. Not extreme. Just uncomfortable. A workout when you don't feel like it. A difficult conversation. Each time you do it, your mind updates its belief. I can handle hard things. Habit 4. Finish what you start. Unfinished tasks drain mental energy. So you start finishing, even small things. Not a long to-do list, but a finish list. And slowly, your identity changes into someone who completes things. Habit 5. Consume less, create more. Scrolling numbs the brain. Creating wakes it up. So you replace some consumption with writing, thinking, building. Your clarity returns. Habit 6. Move your body daily. Your mind follows your body. Movement releases tension, clears thoughts, stabilizes emotions. Energy returns, not motivation, but real energy. Habit 7. Journal to understand yourself. Thoughts trapped in your head stay confused. On paper, they become clear. You ask simple questions. Patterns reveal themselves. Self-awareness grows. Habit 8. Learn one useful thing every day. Not everything, just something useful. A concept, a skill, a lesson you apply the same day. Your mind sharpens quietly. Habit 9. Cut what drains your energy. You notice what exhausts you: people, habits, environments, noise. You don't fight everything. You remove what weakens you. Energy becomes protected. Habit 10. Build consistency, not perfection. You stop chasing perfect days. You show up imperfectly but consistently. Miss a day? You restart immediately. No guilt, no drama. And that's how change really happens. Not through motivation. Not through sudden transformation. But through small choices repeated daily until one day you realize you are stronger, more focused, more disciplined, and capable of far more than you ever believed. If this story touched or inspired you, show some love, like, share, and subscribe.